inside this particular video.
Omotosho versus Nnamdi, how the opposite of what he wanted to do to Nnamdi happened to him. After that, how the African passport came in from Ibrahimtraore. Now, and once again, how the American wanted to come to Nigeria to demarcate this country into two, Christian versus Muslim. And again, the Bravo City in Dubai. And again, the passport and the African Union, this is all you're going to see here. So you must watch and see. I've already told you people what we mean Nnamdi must come out. This is Omotosho. He had him where he was telling him God must punish you. And based on the previous things, the things that happened, you know, that guy is a spirit being, not ordinary human being, half human, half spirit. That's what he is. This Nnamdi that you're saying. And look at and hear what the federal government has promised him. The federal government has promised him $500 billion. 500 what? $billion, not naira. You hear what I'm saying? Then they promised to be paying him $5 billion monthly. 5 oil wells. Yeah? And he rejected all these things. Say what he wants is Biafra. That his parents died on it. His nephew, about international passport, African passport. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Ibrahimtraore has made enough of things. I'm going to call here. Buy only Africa. Need passport. But just people offer $5 billion. I do not America. $5 billion. $5 oil wells. Vice President to Tinubu come 2027. After Tinubu, he will be the president for him to drop this addition of Biafra.
No, if you're entering this country now, and if you're the same point of that country that you're entering, not borders.
Now, you understand? The same president.
So we're supposed to be like that.
Like
but these European people, when they came to stay from us,
I remember what he says.
They demarcated us. Then they made us as if we are not brothers and sisters. We hate each other.
So you know, all these Yoruba
now, social media came in. Now we're understanding ourselves and knowing that we're brothers and sisters. So you understand? So they did all these things to loot our mineral resources in our land, which they did and succeeded. But now we are coming back as brothers and sisters, understanding each other. That's why Ibrahimtraore is this international passport, this African passport for everybody.
Coming school to damage.
So it's now out. You can go and get yours. Africans, they are united.
But so happy about that. Don't fight.
So
because all the
ones
are watching
now.
These people give man now by all these places na Sokoto book we panyendi Igbo
for example now where you came from
the whole world about Biafra. Mind you know what happened in Igbo Igbo now everywhere.
You see it there.
We don't need believe for Igbo because the video you see mind you on that too. You understand me? So the whole world knows about Biafra. So you labeling Biafran people, IPOP, as a terrorist organization, you know, it's a lie. So anybody says something like that, the world that is watching knows it's a lie. Because many of them witnessed the Civil War from 1967 to 70. They witnessed it, they heard about Biafra. So there's no way this agitation can stop. As you see me, I'm coming up to represent what Nnamdi was doing before they sentenced him life imprisonment. So there's no way it can silence the whole youth on Igbo land to stop agitating for Biafra. Is it now a crime to agitate for something? Okay, let me tell you now, shock you what he doesn't know. Look at Nelson Mandela. When the whites were fighting the blacks in South Africa, for them to leave South Africa for the whites, listen at it below. They labeled him Nelson Mandela a terrorist. You understand? They labeled him a terrorist. And he went to prison. They sentenced him life imprisonment too. So he went to prison before the United Nations and the other world allies came in for him. You understand? So he was sentenced life imprisonment. And he stayed 27 years inside that prison before this elite now came in to know what's up, even with the United Nations. So when they came in, and mind you, when they caught Nelson Mandela, they caught Nelson Mandela with a pistol. But they caught Nnamdi Kanu without anything, only biro, shoes, paper, nothing more. Somebody that is agitating for something good for his own people. He saw what the federal government are doing to his own people, and he's agitating for that. Look at, he sentenced the person life imprisonment. Now he went and negotiated with the bandits and be paying them up. The people that kills every day. Somebody that doesn't fight with guns. You people judge and sentence him. But the people that fight with guns, then decide in killing the federal government. You people allow them to be moving freely. And they put them in the army and in the police to be killing the able people. Know what is happening. All these things they know what is happening. Do you know what is happening now? Do you know what is happening now? Well, you people are getting what I'm saying. So who people are getting what I'm saying? So in this country, the people that blame me so much is the Igbo elites. The Igbo elites. These Igbo elites, these people are very, very wicked though. I don't know they are being afraid like this to all these rubbish people. Look at the people that are fighting for you. I never seen any of you people talk. Look at what your people are doing, man. This is bullshit. Look at Sandy Bo, somebody that came out and be agitating for Yoruba Nation. They said to him, he went in. Look at the terrorists, the bandits, ISWAP, Boko Harams. Look at how the federal government settled them and put them in the army and be killing the Easterners. And the Igbo like the billionaires are there, folded their hands watching. Igbo elites, all these billionaires, trillionaires, rubbish people, you people are slaves to these northerners and the westerners. Rubbish people. You people are rubbish. But youth, let me tell you something. I'm just urging the whole youth to calm down. I will not like anybody to do anything. Don't protest. Don't do any shit. Because the whole world are watching. And the Americans are coming. If you look at Kelechi, the 60 squadron destroyer, you know, the Trump is sending that guy with his troop. And look at what he's doing. He made the guy the commander. That Kelechi, he made him a commander. He's coming to Eastern Zone to say he's our brother. And he's coming with Igbo people. So use your brain and know what is coming up in this country. These people are coming to duplicate this country. And exactly what is going to happen. It has been long. So for how long will people die just like that? Bandits will carry guns and come outside the streets and be shooting people just like they are goat or and you people are here holding hands.